Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a rewind effect in CapCut Mobile. So if you want to create a cool rewind effects in your videos with CapCut Mobile, you can easily make your clips play backward for a cinematic or fun effect. So to apply the rewind effects in CapCut, first you just need to launch the CapCut apps on your phone. Tap on your project and then select the videos that you want to edit. So here I'm going to just choose one video from the CapCut library. For example, here I'm going to just use this one. And after that, you can just tap on add at the bottom. Okay, so here is the video that I want to edit. So after your video is open, now you can just click on the video, swipe on the toolbar, CapCut toolbar until you find the reverse option. This one, reverse the video. Okay, you can see now the video will be reversing on CapCut. You can just wait until it's done. Okay, so once the video is reversed like this, now you can just click on the video and go to speed, tap on normal and lower the speed. Speed up the video until you have 3 seconds long video. Okay, tap on a check icon. So this is how the video looks like now. Now you can just go to overlay, add overlay, and then add this rewind overlay. So I got this one from YouTube. You can also get it easily by searching for rewind overlay. Here I'm going to go to where the arrow is backward. Okay, from here I'm going to split and move it to here. Don't forget to adjust the size of the overlay, and then you can go to splice and choose the filter option. Tap on a check icon and that's it. So this is how it will look like now. This is the rewind overlay. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye!